Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Hannah at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and I have got such a fun mini book to show you guys. One of my favorite mini books out right now are these waterfall albums that Graphic 45 has, because they are already put together for you. There's no guesswork, there's no measuring, there's no cutting, there's no folding. There's no gluing. It is all done. And I certainly love whenever they can offer us a great kit to go with that as well, too. So what I have for you is a fun little kit using one of the trifold waterfall folios and also the Make It Splash line, which is one of their newest collections that they just came out with. And here it is. So as you can see, the Make a Splash is beautiful. It's got great purples and blues, some teals in there as well. And we have got, like I said, we've got a little take-home class kit using this line from Graphic 45. So you've got a really, really cute, fun cover on here. Whenever you open it up, you've got a little side pocket, again, already built. You're going to cover it with paper, and then you've got this great little pocket or little slide out piece that opens up where you can add more pictures, and you can tuck more pictures in here as well. Over here we have another great little pull out pocket right here, as well as a pocket up here, and again, you can add more photos in there if you would like to. Turn that page. You've got another pocket on the other side. Over here, as we turn this, you're going to see that we've also got, let me see here, here we go. I was thinking this was a pocket here, but I think it's, oh, yep, it is. There's a little pocket here as well on the back that you can slide pictures, memorabilia into. And then what makes this the trifold waterfall folio is this right here. So again, this is already made for you. Magnets are included as well. And see, as we flip up, we've got some great little movement going on. Pull out here. How fun are these? Again, you can put photos on the back as well. Another little pull out here. And then we also have another waterfall section over here. So we're going to pop the magnet over. You've got a pull out here, and you've got fun little waterfalls pocket here, waterfall, and some minis there as well. Then it folds up. Here's that little pocket there, and folds up completely. So that is our Make a Splash trifold waterfall folio. So try saying that 3 times fast. What are you going to get in the kit? So in the kit, you are going to get your black trifold album. You will get an entire collection kit for the Make a Splash line. So that's going to get you all the papers as well as a great sticker sheet. So that's going to be included in there. And then one substitution that we will have, actually there's 2 substitutions. One substitution we'll have is the flowers. So the flowers will be just a little bit different. These are Graphic 45 flowers, and currently they are out of stock. And another little substitution, which you guys can't tell from here, but in the instructions that are going to be in a private Facebook group that you will join, and then you'll have your instructions in there that you can download, read online, and then you can also ask questions in that group as well. You're going to notice that the album here is ivory. Sadly, once Graphic 45 finished the kit, they are no longer able to source these ivory ones, or at least not for the time being. They're not even for sure if they will come back into stock. So whenever we did our sample, we went ahead and put it on the black. So you will notice in the instructions it will say ivory, but we are using a black album. I think it looks absolutely stunning. The pictures, the colors just pop off the black so well. And then they used a pack of their purple flowers, which are out of stock. So we are just going to substitute another great color of purple in there that looks really good with it as well. I thought about ripping these off, but I was afraid that I may tear it a little too far and destroy the front of the album. So that will be just a little substitution in your kit there. Your kit is already online. You can go to www.thedoodlebuginc.com and you can search by Graphic 45. You can search by Make a Splash. You can go under pre-orders, or you can even just leave me a note here in the comments and we will get your kit put together. Kit prices are $51.99, and again, that gets you the folio, the collection kit, the flowers, and also gets you into that Facebook group where you're going to be able to download and print out your color instructions as well. What I love about these is once you have the instructions for one of these kits, you also have all the measurements you need, and then you can recreate this in all different patterns and not have to keep remeasuring because you've already got those in your kit. But think about this. This would be stunning done in a Christmas line as well. And what a quick and easy Christmas album that would be, because again, all of the black is put together for you. You're going to learn a few fun little tips and techniques in this class as well using these. Don't want to give away all the secrets, but it is definitely one that you could recreate in other lines as well. So, all right, everybody, well, hopefully you will take advantage of this kit. Join me in that Facebook group for that, for the Make a Splash Trifold Waterfall Folio album. I will get it eventually. Probably when I'm off camera, I'll be able to say it all day long. No problems at all. And again, you can look that up online, www.thedoodlebuginc.com, and I will be getting kits ready to go as soon as you need it. These will ship free with a $70 order. So you add a few other things to your cart, and then you can get this shipped for free. Any questions, any comments, also leave those for me below, and I will try and get those answered. Otherwise, we will begin shipping kits out as long as stock is available on all the products. All right, everybody, thank you so much. Have a great evening, and we will talk soon. Bye.